Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm with a Whirlpool dehumidifier, and it's at least 12 years old. So um, someone gave it to us, so we've had it for around 5 years now. It's actually on, and it's doing a pretty good job, and all the settings off, normal, dry, max dry, and it's got a little light right there, empty bucket or just bucket. So yeah, things like brand new. Let me see. I don't see a date on it, which is, so the air comes out of here, it must go into here or whatever. So yeah, this is Tiny right here. We rescued her off the side of the road, and she's a beautiful cat. I think people say on the internet she's a calico cat or whatever, the multicolor, and she's got beautiful eyes. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Say bye, Tyne. Yeah, she has nothing to do with the camera.